Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Before we show you where we're going, we just need to go and get our friends. That's better. We are off to
Dog
Calf, and we're here with Darcy and Sugar. I know, another 2 sausage dogs. These are Molly's other 2 sausage dogs. I've got 2 at home and Molly has 2 at home. But we thought we'd treat these 2 to a day out, and we didn't realise, but there's a dog calf that's recently opened up near us. So we're going to go there, check it all out and show you guys what it's all about.
This is meant to be something really cute for them, but Sugar is panting and she looks so nervous. Look at her little face.
You're not liking it? You'll like it when you have a poor Pacino. Having trouble getting them out?
Yeah, I can't get them out. Oh my god.
Anytime.
I can't do it. There we go. Ready? One little doggy.
Parked up.
So excited to go in.
Very, very excited. I don't think we're as excited as these 2, but it looks really good. We literally just drove past around the parking space and it looks so busy. So
busy.
Hopefully the queue isn't too long. And we've only got 2 little ones, so we should be able to squeeze. These 3 are just running away, leaving me.
Because we're too excited to go to the dog.
We've made it. Paws for coffee. It's like the place to be for dogs. It's popping. What do you want, Sugar? What do you want? What looks nice? So we've got homemade treats. Oh, they do actually do a puppuccino. You get one of them. You get your coffee fix, doggy sausage, ice cube, homemade dog treats.
Can I get 2 cappuccinos and a porppuccino, please, to eat in?
Where are you sitting?
Number 4, the Schnauzer.
We've got our cappuccinos, and these 2
Cappuccino.
have got their porppuccinos. Go on. Breakfast, the sweet start and the brown bread, please, and that's it, and the 10 sprats for the dogs. Okay, so the 2 greedies foods come first, and they've got these. Look at these sprats. They literally have eyes. They're like, it's a full fish.
I've gone for a sweet start. Look at that.
We've got sausage dogs all over the plate, pugs, and bears, and there's none for you. How's that sugary breakfast going down?
Banging. I'm trying to be edgy. This is quite edgy.
Edgy, bananas on toast. Never heard of it, but hey ho, give it a go. So breakfast in this place was lovely. So I got full English breakfast, and you got a banana-y thing. It's not really a breakfast, but Molly loves sugar. And the 10 sprats for the dogs, all for a tenner, which is ideal. And obviously we talk about saving money for travelling. And I don't really know how you save money by like coming to a cab, but if you think about it logically, we had like an Alsatian and a Doberman, it cost a lot more. We got sausage dog, and all their breakfast was £1, and we've got some left over to bring back for Ola and Flora, so everyone's a winner. Pause for coffee was a success, and we have 2 very satisfied little dogs. So yeah, pause for coffee, make sure you give it a go. Now after all that, I think we've got to burn it off a little bit, especially the dogs because they're looking a little bit chunky. And luckily, right next to us, we have Bushy Park, which is one of the royal parks. So these two are going to get a lovely little walk.
And me. So, we're in Bushy Park and I'm tangled with both the dogs. And he's trying to work the drone. Such a beautiful day, honestly. And the dogs are loving it too.
Okay, that didn't go to plan. Someone didn't put the SD card back in the drone, she put it in the drawer. So we're going home just so we can get the SD card. Something so small, yet so important.
Reminds me of something else.
So round 2 in Bushy Park has been successful as far. We're walking through now. It's such a lovely day, like the sun's out, it's like a perfect winter's day. I can't explain how good it is.
I got a fun fact for you all.
Fun fact, go on. Fun fact of the day.
Cardinal Wolsey gave this park, Bushy Park, to Henry VIII in 1529 as a gift.
And that is when it became a royal park. And Bushy Park is the second largest of the royal parks in London. I think there's 8 in London, so yeah, cool fact of the day.
Perfect.
We're literally so lucky to have this, like, more or less on our doorstep. And it has been perfect today because the 2 dogs and Molly needs to burn off their paws for coffee. So
I think I've burnt off.
honestly, if you're ever in and around London, just give any of the 8 royal parks a go. They're brilliant. And then this time of the year, there's usually a load of deer, and for some reason we can't see any of them, so I think we might be in the wrong park.
Right, so I thought we're going on a nice walk. It's quite brisk and a bit chilly today, so I thought I'd wear my Ugg boots. Show my Ugg boots.
Ugg boots, somewhere there.
But it's wet because of all the condensation, I'm assuming, and it's muddy and they're ruined.
Dear, I've just worn an old pair of trainers. I don't care if they get dirty. I don't even care if I tread in dog poo. I tread in dog poo, I tread in dog poo. It's meant to bring you good luck. So I didn't think we would, but we actually managed to stumble into a group of deer. Look at these guys. These are what make Bushy Park all worth it. But you've got to be careful, you've got to keep your distance, because a few weeks ago there's a story of a young girl that got caught by one of the stags. At this part of Bushy Park, they're not normally here. It's normally at the Hampton Court end, so we've done really well. And I'm just making sure I don't go too close, because a few weeks ago, like I said, there was the incident with the young girl.
Enjoyed our walk around the lovely Bushy Park.
And I think we've burned off our paws for coffee, so happy days. If you liked today's video, guys, give it a like, subscribe, comment what dog you've got, and remember to keep on dabbling.